Some people we have some things for getting right, you know, because you are going to share with Uno in the video before this one, yeah, Ivan I respond to Candy because she and Candy kick off. Candy go and apologize to her, but she not take the apology. She diss up Candy, you know what I mean? I say a long time Candy bad mind or whatever. Seeing some, I'm gonna make you hear what Candy have to say, cause Candy respond to that. You see me? So Bling. You know what I mean? You are going with Ivan and her man and talk about it, my people. Some want to know hear what Bling have to say about Ivan and her man situation. Also, I don't know if you don't know that that new girl here with on social media, her head no good. She live with her man, the man, our old man, like, you know what I mean? So this youth here, we always put them up on him TikTok and they around them or something. Them a say him rob them money and them something. And we don't like this, my people. You know what I mean? Certain people can't help themselves and we don't have no understanding certain way. You look out for them, the people, more than if you look out for rob them. You know what I mean? The Almighty will take away your blessing. You see me? So we are going to get in all of them, my people. We are going to kick it off with Candy and then we get in the rest.
I'm sure the media. If your body count down to the dogs and a girl, me can't imagine how much man run in and out of the pussy there in a girl. Play the Jamaica, make the man them just say fuck you out. You reach a fire now, be a Yankee boy, you just sit down and make the your wall and a suck out your body. Girl, I one thing, as much as me there saw one thing you can say about me, I say me love talk and sing about all. That's for all, cause a batty man never fuck me yet. Me no fun batty man. Batty man never fit. You can't make the media know how much money you fuck. Cause see there, now go say two you gone. Two sure more. We now go say two you gone because the one you go have a bag of money. But they say have one of them did I say are the youth pick me. What him name again? Jay, where the fuck boy name? What him name? The boy JB. Girl, you can't make everybody know about your relationship them on the media. Me not talk about Jamaica. Me not talk about the one them over foreign already. You can't make everybody know that, girl. And you know what the funny thing? Now what do you the girl that cost me 70 pounds? But all me I show points. And see there? Me I go over friends, me I'm a new man. He said, me don't know if a bad man or a jealous. I two of them. Where you go over only for do? Where you go over there go do? Eh? You hate it so much at your class, but what the f over there go do? Make it make sense. Where you go? You bash 70 pounds. Where you go over there go do? Cause if me bash a girl, alright, say a girl have Tam. And me a bash a girl, so she there with Tam. And when the girl left Tam, me go there with the girl. Me go there with Tam. They jealous of them relationship. So sitting after wrong with you, cause you bash me over there and drag me somebody upon ends. I know you go on it. That's crazy. If you want me to teach about it, we teach about it. Cause easy money over there. But don't bad mind, just ask me. Me will tell you. No, me don't want to. Me want the realest girl let me know. Me will tell you, me will help you. Me will tell you, me will help you. Because you will make money like this. You will make money like that. Because yes, you have the support of them. But me can't teach you. You don't need to do the most. You don't need to do the most, girl. But sorry for no man. And the things I'm talk about Fanny are some different shit me I come with. But not talk about the things them way. What me I keep confidential. Cause I'm not gonna say that to the media cause I'm serious. If I'm gonna talk about that. And that's gonna cause a lot of problem. Holy pabangarang. So I'm not gonna say that. But I got some stuff. And I'm gonna come and talk about it. And I don't want none of you to text me. I don't want none of you brother, none of my supporter them, none of my tappers them. Come tell me say me feel low. Me no want none of you come tell me that, bro. Me I tell you friend now. Me no want none of you text me and say, Candy, leave it alone, Candy. Don't just make them go on. No. Nah, listen to me, you know. Nah, go listen to you, no. Because you see, me no trouble people, you know, brother. Me no trouble people, brother. All me do, I just go entertain. You see, my manager there right there, so. And my manager there, yeah, me feel leave it alone. Me nah left him, sorry. Me nah left, me could have never come so strong to him. You hear me a bleach? Crazy? Me want to get you right way. Yeah, O'Shea, straight vibes. A long time I don't do. Long time. Every day I sit down over here and gigi and I do entertainment. May I show you something now? Cause me can be very devious, you know, brother, but I want to get so me know me think before me do things. Me think. No man, my voice quite alright. I see when I go read out them file. You think me go cuss them? Me even now wait till over here full. I just gonna start read. I see him so I read out to my file. And me I tell you say, hey one Blinga, me. I see him so I read out to the file. Cause one thing, me realize yes, so when you're loud and obnoxious, the message not reach people. It not reach nobody. It not reach people when you shout I do the most. She's so pretty, big up everybody that said at me, big up on herself. You know, me get for understand that because when easy people are shout and I do the most, it's like in my mind, me just say, alright, them a shout.
So I know some people, it look like they can have some things for Ivan, Jaja, why, yo, people, more to not tell me in the comment section and more to be honest, right? I don't feel like say Ivan do all these things to stay relevant. I don't feel like say she just don't want nobody get to that top spot there. Because when Candy did it on TikTok, when she just found on TikTok with the begging thing, she a beg for the surgery and something. Seeing, I think Ivan was one of the person where I say, yo, Candy a trick the crowd, you know what I mean? And by right, it look like she a trick the crowd for real because she did say she have to go you go have the baby and she end up going regular hospital to go have the baby, you see me? So, from before that, she and Ivan did inner things, but here we go on my people, Candy come on TikTok after she have the baby and everything and just find a niche and start make it on TikTok, you know, and it look like say she have a problem with it. Someone to not tell me if a bad mind or I just competition or she always want to be the big person on TikTok where I get all of the views them. Wanna tell more the thing my people. Honestly more.
I just that me and me say, alright, them a short. So yeah, something a go on, them just a short. Not one thing I pass, you know. Anyways, remember my ranking push tomorrow. 7:30 guys. May I go for number 1 this week. And remember, me the number 2, 83K for go number 1. So I want a couple people with the glove them. I don't want no bag of people with the glove them. It's alright, you know, but I did hungry. We can't tell you about it now. For wait till the video come out. When the video come out, we go watch it. I'm not that phone. We go watch it and tell me one thing about it. Yeah man, anybody here crank up TV, anybody where I be disrespectful and black them. If they match it have them on, you can't mute them or make them go and chat. Cause I'm tell you this. You see, yes sir? Yes, I'm my playground. None of you can run me over, run me out of this, you know. This is my playground. And this is my platform and my page. None of you. I tell you, none of you can get me down. None of you can run over me. Because you see, the thing is, I'm happy all one of they do me when time I be pregnant. I'm happy right now, nothing face me. Because I know some people, evil people who support me right now, they that drag me when time I breed. And the thing is, we don't have no problem because sometimes people have to grow for love you. We don't have no problem with that. Rooted and grown in the name of the Lord, man. But I highly believe somebody doing the head sitting. And you're so wrapped up in a brick life where you go up and like, boy, you cut here. Mine shop in a shave off your only head. You know the people in my class that say a Brit you follow. Boy, you cut your ear. You go under the media, you want peace side. Low blood clot people more wild, girl. Low people make them good to get their look shine more wild, girl. Honestly. Make people get their look shine more wild. You know, enough money, you just enough. And you know, so when you come with big crosses. When you come with a full force. It's like when you come with a whole legions of demons to leg up on the media, girl. Cause everything boy you're miserable. Everything boy you're and miserable. You right now you just start the whole up. You make everybody just miserable and everybody you just take it fun out of everything. Me and Shalom could have got at it and people still alive about it. Cause as me said, it's so for fun, bro. He did fun with Shalom and me and Donia and the one I would just go back and forth like idiot. And I sing song like idiot. So look at idiot pick me. It was so fun. In go and jump in the water, man a stone him, and then you come with you come with look legions and demons, girl. Go leg up our way and know we're miserable. Lena, big up yourself, my girl. Look, body about one Lena badness. Bombard. That body. You just go and let go your legions and demons over here, girl. Girl, and legions I walk with in here. Think I one or two up here I walk with, girl. You need some prayer, I'm tell you that. You need some prayer. As much as you know see me go on prayer. Me not alone here, I'm know for prayer. I'm can't see things that other people can't see, girl. And legions I walk with. But while you do some things, girl, you don't even know what you do. You don't even know what you do because it come like you not control your own body. And you think you think you have it, oh my God, you think you have everything together. You think you have your whole life together. You just think, you think you have it together. You just feel like you have the whole world in your hands. You just come from prison, you know? They just come from prison. Half the demons upon you. I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to tell you something, Van. I know this thing. Nah, this I'm not style, you know. I'm not style, I'm not this, you. You see, you want smart little girl. You want smart little girl. And you see, enemy I rob you. Enemy I rob you. Enemy I rob you of your greatness, because you're for great. You're for great. You have so much fame and influence over people. But you could have done so much. And, you just, and it's like the enemy see it and just rob you. And you can't see, brother, go pray and humble before God, no, brother. Just go try. You know, is there something wrong with you? How can you not see that there's something wrong with you? Sit wrong with you. Sit and do you. Can't afford that. Sit and do your girl. You literally just come from prison from your son. But I don't know, sit there, girl. Girl, sit there, I don't know how to tell you. But you need for those prayers, something. I don't know what you. I don't know what you. Dumpy the fire, girl. Dumpy the fire, girl.
People, I want to be honest in the comment section, right? I want to tell more to think about Ivani personally, you see me? And what she go on with on the media because, yo, me not lie still in people, me I got to talk true and facts. At least, that's just my opinion. Seeing? me see a lot of things in the media space, and Ivani always give her opinion on it, and not only Ivani alone. Me see Rosealee as a person, when things are going on in the media, she feel like she give her opinion, she give her opinion on it. But she no like go try to join in, and boy, me no know my people. Me no know. I'm not a TikToker, so me couldn't know like if them a do this thing for clout, or because them have a big platform and them have them opinion on certain things and them voice them opinion, people will take it a certain type of way. You know what I mean? But you see, if you stay relevant people, me see even Drake do it. You see me I say, when young rappers are come up in the industry and them have a hit song, him we go collaborate with them and try to get a little clout off of them certain way. Although theme thing bigger than their own, but it kinda give him a different fan base and it kinda give him a little push, you know what I mean? Also him help the young artist too to introduce to his audience.
And you feel like you have it all figured out. You feel like you have it all figured out. So the fact about it, you know, so you're not going to ever stop. Because you think you know everything. You think you have it all figured out, you know everything. Big bad Vanny knows it all. Nobody can't stop you. And nobody not try to stop you now, you stop yourself. Are you been a stop yourself? Are you stop yourself, girl? Beg say, when everything cool down, you not go hear nobody a call your name. Down in the media right now, you not go call down your name. Brother, if people that were most in the media right now, I'm me and Donia. If people that were most in the media right now, I'm me and Donia. Me need not talk about Jaden them been get them time. Me not say them fall off, but them been get them time. And I want you when slime them and run off the app. Run off the app. Me a talk about right now. Me a talk about from yesterday, from last week. So what gonna be the topic? Una beef with Donia, have beef with Donia. Have beef with Donia. Call me name for. For be share next one too. I told Donia talk to her, me not blood clot on her, you know. Cause she must think I'm afraid of a man. I'm afraid of a blood clot man, no. Me not afraid of a man. I'm not afraid of a king me. I'm not afraid of a me. I'm not afraid of a man. No dear. Amount of man look me at daytime. Amount of man look me. But while man nervous to come talk to me. Man nervous to talk to me. Cause them know me a good girl. Me not ask. Me not ask that. Humble kid what me don't know where me go pick up that dry flow you from. Me not ask. Me not shot a man. Me no shot a blood clot man. Me can get a man anytime I'm ready. But just want to stay single right now. Man come with too much responsibility. Man come with too much responsibility. And I just decide to stay single. You can call up my name. Hey girl. That girl lucky said don't you talk to her because I don't come for. I roll out a blood clot file, you see, because I got file for everybody. If you think me not a file for you, me have file for you. Because more while me just sit down and people just randomly tell me shit. Things that me no want know, me just know. Can't know about that. But me go allow she, me go allow she. Me go allow she, but I say Blinga. Not sure you want to put Vanny too much, because Vanny, me just feel like you're one nice girl. It's just that some lesions of demon upon you, girl. I have some incubus and succubus spirit in your punk. So me not come for you. Yeah. Need to come down now. Me just a talk about you. Me depend on your name too much. Everybody have to get piece of the cake. Everybody. I get piece of it. Now one thing you need, you think me go sit down and talk about, oh, remember say, I can't I want me talk about one me call the name, you're gonna get famous. Girl, it's a social media, we there stand up so, like in a split a couple seconds. You we there, we up this up at top. And you just say, or do one little thing. Or you know, come and learn for y'all 1 week or something. You just go and fall off, you know. You fall off, you know, on social media, it's easy for you fall off, you know. Easy, you know. Still come every day, boy, you fame and you this and you that. Girl, you know more famous than we. You know more famous than we. Me not see I get bookings. Random amount of bookings me I get up. Me have to turn down bookings. Me have to turn down bookings, girl. Oh, you're more famous than me right now. Oh. Oh. You're popularity and no success. My look of fame when me I get now make me get successful. Two different things, girl. We are not the same. I'm tired to tell you.
Body on social media, you don't look good. You don't look rev right out. You don't look like some butterfoot little girl. You don't look like some rat ears little girl, some butter ears little girl. Some butter ears little girl you don't look like. Eh? Look upon them when I make video about people. I'm going to show you them here. Who for ear no want comb, tie up her ear, who for breast no long, them look hungry. Who not run in a man nutrition Ross. Eh? I'm going to show you them here where I say I make video about girl. He said TikTok money now show. Power where me live, they have a show for my kids them. The girl them can't say yes, them getting fat. Everybody have to go, because everybody have to eat well. Them have to eat well. Them have to eat well. When you come out to pick them in a walk and pick them up like uno walk and pick up uno and make them looking like that. No, 16 and 17-year-old young girl. Mama take off the filter. Wait. $16. The filter gone. Look at the filter gone. Them are what, 16 and 17? 16 and 17 young girl. Look pan that one there if your head want to comb. Look pan that one there. If your breast them long. Like the rock of Gibraltar. Eh? Look on this. Look on angry too. Look on Annie too hungry daughter. Look on Annie too hungry daughter where I make video for me. Eh? Look on Annie hungry too daughter. But don't talk about mama. Your mama is smarty. You don't have no father. You don't have no father. 13 rough long years of rev right out. You don't have no father. Don't talk about my mother. Like, your mama smarty. You know see your mama drunk crow. You know say your mama drunk crow. You smarty. Your mama smarty. You see your mama drunk crow. My back supposed to be because me is a big girl, but you a young girl. And I can't see the stress them pound up. I can literally see the dash bell now on her face. I can literally see hungry print on two. I want a young girl. Eh?
Alright, my people, so I'm gonna close out the Ivany and Candy situation. You know, I mean, I want to tell more anything about it. Where Candy say about Ivany. When me did I say, you know, when me did I talk about earlier on, seeing me did I say like all of the big people, them like the famous people, them try to attach themselves to a young upcoming person where them SECR go reach somewhere. So me feel like that Ivany do fi keep relevant at all times. Your dog do it to Rosealee, do it to, you know what I mean, countless other person do it. But you want to Ivany, you know, Ivany things start off with drama. So she have to always in a drama. to kind of keep the crowd and like Swiss them when in no drama and keep them crowd right through because them love him for something else than drama. You understand? So if you start off with drama, you have to always keep in a drama to keep your people them around you. You see me? What Rosealee, my people want to know tell me about Rosealee cussing Annie Pickney them because I think she first this them up, when she had this anime sure. You see me? Tell me what you think in the comment section of who start the dissing first, cause I'm not 100% sure if a Rosealee start this the little Pickney them first or them start this she. You know what I mean? But it look like say everybody in the family I get it. Rosealee no care just you know what I mean? Bring down everybody straight. You see me, a Rosealee more bad to my people. So we're gonna watch some more here Rosealee I say.
Social media, beg a social media feed your mama whole household. Your mama na work. And some know Annie Pickney them are dunce, Cause she over there tell me say man, right? And some know say Annie Pickney them are some dunce. And some Annie Pickney them are some dunce. Some little dunce said. Because the breeding one by the pure shimmies. The breeding one by the pure shimmies. Right? We fear pay for the song on the camera and I'm one ramen noodle. What them say them spend $100,000 buy food. I'm here fear mama cause I say shit. Our neck can't catch water. I tell cost me I tell me say man be. We no see fear man tell you. No, the two rugrat them. The two and the other two young rugrat them. And the two young floor clat. Revolt Smaddy, Revolt Nation. And the two Revolt Nation them. We come and tell me about big back. Uno no sisse. Uno no look good. Uno no. You are tell me say man, the one where you saw catch water where she and fear be for that song and I drink the one ramen noodle. I tell me say and in young revolt them, I tell me say, a TikTok me beg pan. Where your mama work? Where feed your sister and her man? Why me if you come argue with on the dance? Eh? Why me if you come argue with on a dance? Where your mama work? Where I feed your sister and her blood clot man? You so no love enough upon yourself. You will tell your mama to leave people alone cause when me a choke. Cause when girl a choke, I mean them a choke pan Chantal and them a lace barber me for so long like me under baby pain. So when me a choke no one nobody tell me nothing. Your mama walk and beg till she blind the whole away. Your mama now work nowhere. And you feed your sister. The two little shimmies with your sister buy. The two little shimmies with your sister buy. Your long time shimmies with your sister buy. I put palm mother and baby. I should come and come beg it. Your mama do open more restaurant and a beer juice in her food. She'd have to lock it down. When health inspector got check her and said, no man. Then I hold this woman look like a person she sell food. Lock down. Zoe and Mika, when health inspector come check your mama and I ask her for no food and glass permit, them say mode permit, she have to lock down the restaurant because them say this upstairs I can't cook people food. A beer bus in the food. Beer tutu in the food. Your mama smaddy. Black that smaddy boy leave the people and leave the kids out of it. Black that person, black them and come off of this. When me a chore, not tell me what to do. Lift up off my page and not tell me what to do. Leave out of it. Them are not kids big man. We are tech man like me. Them are big man. We are tech man like me. You're blind. Them they look like Pitney. Them they look like Pitney. Kids go to school and learn, come from school, do their homework, chill a little, watch cartoon and whatever, and then go to bed to go to school tomorrow. Them they look like Pitney. Which part of Zoe and Mika look like a child? You know, see I dog them. One about roof, I want about me or me hungry. Eh? You know why I'm throw my pity them Mika and Zoe? Me no want have them in a poverty like oh no mama have no poverty. And palm out for 3 grand and that's why I'm near my one them coming out sell. Cause I'm still in a poverty. That's why I don't want them more coming in a poverty. Yeah. Cause me I dreams now, me I think big now. My guy in a college when him the done reason already. I'm tell him say I dreams more. Yeah, me no wanna be a baby. I only forgot careful on who I breed. When you not breed, you not careful on and tap make on a mama dash away. When you like on you start breed now, you for make on a mama tap make on a walk on your belly. Cause if I look down, you look like 2 twin dash belly. Cause the one when the video was fear ear, the 2 of them head one comb. But the one who have the something over her head, the piece of old cloth over her head. You can see fear 2 them drop right to ground, them long like mines. And I pick it. What I do long, girl? What I do girl? What go wrong? What go wrong? What go wrong? What I do the long? So when me a turn on the back of the boy them, it go round there with them. Me a big woman. Me a turtle and me supposed to have big back.
Alright, people, wanna tell me what you think about this whole situation with Annie Youth them and Rosealee, right? Because as youth growing up, we could never dip in anything where like a adult in the same I say adult business, pick the business, pick the deserving a adult business, right? But more want to tell me as I asked before, if a Rosealee start this the pick them first or the pick them start this Rosealee, right? Because me don't know why these people on social media love go after people picnic. Leave the people and picnic alone. If you cuss somebody, cuss them. Left them youth out of this thing here. You understand? So just tell me I wanna think in the comment section. We are gonna watch a little bit more my people and then we are gonna go over Blinga and hear what she have to say about Ivani and her man situation.
Me a big woman, me can so me a big 31-year-old woman. Me supposed to have big back. Cause me's a big woman. But uno a young girl, what wanna do with the because the stretch mark them pound. Because wanna fight for hunger. Every day wanna hunger so no torment so cause is a hungry set of family. And when hungry people they were always dead. Cartel never tell a lie. One no broke, I wanna hungry, wanna turn pound on one another. We have some hungry set of family, but don't talk about my your sister Smaddy. Your stinking sister Smaddy. I would have them here. Your sister was mine, man, Smaddy. Your sister was one look a lampile and blood clot Camila Smaddy. Your sister was still on a stress out the poor fetus a Smaddy. Your raw mouth sister Smaddy. Your mad sister Smaddy. Don't talk about my mama. Your mama Smaddy. One father there. Daddy not available. You all on one silent light and flame up. I first from my bar, I say, Uno a cuss me and tell me the things them way. Uno a do. Cause the whole on run on fame. That's number one. Well, no, the whole on your mama I watch your sister money, your sister watch your mama money on TikTok. Your mama watch your sister money, your sister watch your mama money on TikTok. Take care of your time. Your mama watch your sister money. Your mama watch your sister money. And your sister watch your mama money. I want them here she bad that bust it for the daughter. I didn't bust by everybody. But the daughter like crying and look bad. You don't want some vitamins. You don't want some good rest. You don't overwork. For teenagers, you guys are overworking. For teenagers, you guys are overworking. Want to the schooling. Want to the schooling. You come about big back girl. I'm gonna have to come and sit up on social media every day and beg your mama do it daily. And people on the media feed your mama. And people on the media feed your mama where your mama work. You know, like downgrade social media too much. Like on a social media feed. Look on the life for a pay episode. Eh? Look on the life will appear episode. Look how on the life will appear episode. A social media feed your mama. A social media feed Ono. One mama work. I want mama can get on social media. She catch man going like a dog. Zoe and Mika the whole we eat belly. Me, you, your mother, your sister, everybody. The whole we eat belly. Zoe and Mika and me, you, Annie and Anna, the whole we eat belly. Zoe and Mika, the whole we eat belly. Zoe and Mika, the whole we eat belly. Me and your mother eat belly. My one them wanna aunt me when me drink. Me just think about them. But me not regret nothing because I don't know if I put them so me have them and carry them go. Till me have them and turn them in a rolling calf like when son a rolling calf. Uno come like some double can't rest. Rolling calf. Uno be. Rolling calf. Double in a rest. Eh? I want a young girl. Go come in here and bathe. I'm brushing the teeth. I better look. If I don't make one look a video about me now, look clean. But that's why I'm not telling like them. I'm allow them. But you don't want beard. Now look a powder around on the neck. I can't stay, I can't look on the screen and sound of frownsy. I don't know your mama tell people say them frownsy.
I'm up here, come tell me what I want about Ivani, because I'm not ready to deal with Ivani yet. I'm not ready to deal with the Ivani situation or Ivani case or Ivani nothing yet. Because I don't know the full evidence. But I'm going to send by one headset gig. I'm going to talk about Vani, of course, because yeah, I'm going to talk about Vani, but I don't know disrespectful. I don't know disrespectful way. We must can the review without be disrespectful. I know I'm funny. So you understand? So I could just focus yes first. Me I gonna need enough to support the live goal. You was telling us about Bling, leave that. You know they will tear her down. No man, but then can't come to come tear her down. You get to me I say water running. Here what me have to say about the situation that to pertaining to what me see. Alright, she buy the headset Kino. She buy the headset Kino, right? And she tell Kino that she want back her headset. Why Kino not just give back the girl her headset?
Alright, my people, tell me what you think about the Rosealee situation. And Blinga start off this thing here wrong. You see me I say? Because what she a go say you know, she want Ivan want back the headphone and the youth should have give her back the headphone. Right? That's wrong. First of all, do you think that if somebody buy Ivan something and say them want it back, them Ivan would have give them back? What do you think so? Tell me in the comment section. Me just ask a question. Because I remember Ivan and Lady P had an argument, right? And Lady P buy Ivan some stuff, and what Ivan do with them thing there, she mash it up. She not say make she send it back go give Lady P and make Lady P just give it to charity or something. She mash them up, right? Through seeing, and if a person buy you something, not because them buy it or them pay for it, them give it to you. So, this is not look up in the days where you give somebody something and want to take it back. No. You buy it, give person already. So, why you want it back. I'm my own now, not because me never pay for it. It is mine now. So me, if me no want give back, so be it. You can't come take it from me because you buy it and give me.
That's it. Give her back her headset and it done. I don't see the problem. She buy the headset, Kino. She want back her headset. Give back Vanny the headset, Kino. And that's it. Yeah, man. You did Vanny talk so highly about you, so good to you. So, you were so good to her. We saw you guys on video doing stuff. You take her out. If you buy somebody, something for somebody. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, but some people is like that. Them buy stuff give somebody and them and the person fall out and them want it back, as well as some people is not like that. But I'm just saying, think about it. Vanny one about the headset, just give her the headset back. Just give her about the headset, Kino. Cause you claim to be this sweetheart, this nice guy, this everything. Just give the woman back her headset and that's it and it done. She lend him. See there? I lend. $600 and a monkey money if you take up for go buy a headset. People, look. The girl lend you our headset. I know it's a nice headset for the $600. I mean now pick no side. I don't want to come say me a pick no side. Cause I always say me a pick side. I mean I pick no side. I mean I do this because me and Vanny cool. No. You know, for understand, this is why blood clot King Donia come like him want to come in an argument with me, because me I listen to what Vanny I say. I may tell Vanny say, well, call King Donia on the phone and tell him say you know like this and like that. Me don't know what King Donia want me to do. I mean him not have anything. I'm not gonna say him never know say me hate him. What me I hate him for? Me not practice hate. That's a waste of energy. Me not practice hate. But yeah, beat round the bush, talk facts. Daniel, let me add you to this blood class life. You come up here to come tell me which bush me I beat round. Come tell me. Because you see the position where me play upon this up here, me and 90% of the people them move good. So if them and them one another war, how me for pick side? This is the problem wanna have with me. This is the problem wanna have with me. No want me to get up and pick phone side cause una have a favorite. I no eat the blood clot girl. Una go near out to no mama. No, because when I eat the girl, I go come on phone aside. We're going to name for my life too.
That's right. Dang, that means that kid is really good.
You know the position where me have pie, so sometimes my two friends them a war. I'm in a it. I'm here for just bill. What do want me do? Pick which side. When me even do stay up on a side and I say Ray, you say me bias. Una germs. Daniel, come off for your son, go bed. Go bed. Daniel, go bed.
Yeah.
Yes.
When me see the screen record, right? What he must say is, you sister the girl, I bring him down the day before, and you depend the live with the girl and I help follow the girl and I bring him down. Me never see your life.
How am I bringing down Donia? What did I say to bring down Donia? What Donia do to bring him down?
The day when he hang you up on the phone, another screen record show when him say black, and him just block you for everything. Like him just block you cause him say in a
this Donia want block them. Like make this make sense. My business if Donia want block me.
Me know you're not business, but what him try to say is, you know, say the girl that don't bring him down from the day.
How did I know? Rika, I did not know. Me over here wrong. Rika, listen to me. Me one plain girl where them can't go stand, where them can't go take, because I am the truth. Me the palm my life a rank. Me no know nothing about Blinga, about Ivani and Donia. Me no know because Ivani and Donia them do that suck me up. Ivani and Candy a cuss. I mean, I know if I play cussing or a serious cussing, I'm going to pay it no mind, brother. Because this is what they do on the app.
Yeah, well, I got him say, because me see all of the screen record. I mean, I say, because me never see the live with you and she. So when me see the screen record now, me say, we didn't get that the story there.
Well, oh, me did I bring down Donia? Oh, yesterday, Donia have some set of name chat. When I like me, where me reject them, cause I cuss to one of them and run them, and them same one I go bring down the man. You want bet? Them so wanna go bring down the brother there. Because them see me and down here play. Oh, no more. Lift up now. Left that Donia. Done this. First of all, me and Dona used to cool. When Dona just come out yourself. I don't know them something here. You understand? The next thing, you see them girl here, where Dona have, not every one of them, some of them. And look, Rika, if no one, me can start a war, blood clot, no one turn over the app. And no, see me I do that. You know, see me I do that. Over here, so send me a rank, Rika. Because everybody know upon TikTok. If me start a wall of them, it not end well. Because everybody are going in them feelings, and this is when I come out, cause this is one did say, and that the one cause I spot me though. Me wake up, girl. I wake up.
If you're wrong, cause somebody come over there and cuss somebody. If you feel like you want to listen, but you're not nothing to say. So if somebody come over by your live and not cuss people, what you gonna do? You're not gonna really do nothing. Well, sometimes you stop them. When them a cuss like Raja and say, yo, we say, no, stop it.
Look, and them not care. Rika, me want to understand the position of me in upon this friggin' shit. Them not care. Yeah. Me and Raja upon the live. Right? Me no remember what happened. I say, word dog, I'm a friend. And Raja just understand right there, so. Me and some people upon the live and them a style Raja. I say, look, Raja, I'm a friend. Stop it.
And that's him,
and they still continue to do it. Them still continue to do it. And I said, Jaja, you know me I go jump, brother. Cause me can't bother with you.
And that him did why you tell Vani. Say, stop it because me and Donnie are cool. That in the screen record, him I try to say why you tell Vani say stop bring him down because you are him the guy cool. So I try him not hear that from you now. Him upset because I say you know stop it.
So Donnie never hear the part. Donnie never hear the part when me I said to Vani say, Vani, listen, me hear what you say, but did you tell King Donnie that you don't like this? Why don't you call him on the phone? Donnie not hear them part there. Which part of me bring down Donia? Donia do me anything for me bring him down? Which part of me did I bring down Donia? Where? Me I tell you this now, Rika, you are one Blinga Xp0Se from long time and you know my style and my program, you know. Rika, me not cuss for you, know. Rika, me not cuss for you, know. So when you're not girl catch up in a Rika, the most me do, I take down the person if me select the person and done. You get it? Me tell all of my Blinga Xp0Se say, no argue for yourself.
You always tell me that to you.
When me pick side, Rika, tell me. How me look when me pick side? Tell me.
You have to look away because remember you done one of the, you know, you're doing this something and you have to look away and say a biasness why you have to pick up for this.
And then do it all the time to me. I'm going to say nothing. I just ease myself and say, you know what, if no one there on there, if no one there no go on, brother. That's what I say. Like, make it make sense. This is a foolishness. Me now bring down Donia. Me never bring down Donia. Donia not do me nothing.
On a level, my people, like Ivani and Blinga grow close, see? So Blinga I go want upon Ivani side more than how should I want upon Donia side, see? And the next thing when me hear Blinga say, she say like the youth figure back Ivani the thing, but me I watch it and me see like somebody typing in the comment section and I say to her say like if Ivani buy the something for a person, she can't take it back, whatever. And right there, so she kind of did a box shuffle until the next person type and say, I lend Ivani, lend the youth the something. Then she start say whatever about Ivani, you see me. So she a go pick up for Ivani still, and naturally that a friend a go do to our friend, you know what I mean. A friend a go put the friend under the bus, but you have to tell your friends a certain attitude and behavior with them have, you know what I mean. It not nice, it not good, because if you buy me something because I buy Ivani buy him it, you know, and I lend Ivani did lend him it, right? So she just want it back for kind of try hurt him or whatever. You already buy it, give me. You say me, you put it in my hand and say a few more. You never say borrow this for a while. If I borrow, she did make him borrow it. Well, she have all right to ask back for her things, but she give him, she buy it, give him. You see me, we understand, say she hurt and whatever, and she want to do whatever she can to make him feel a type of waste. So that's why she want about the phone.
So I bring him down. You understand?
Hey, Miss
If they
Bling.
want by the energy like what you do when them a try this up Roger.
Yes, that's what I was gonna tell you. That's what. Alright, Miss Bling, you and I are friends, right? And if Rika and I are not friends, and Rika come there, and Rika class me and said, "Does it Kimmy and whatever, and talk the most about me, however she feel about me, right?" And the main fact that you sit down in the present and you never say, "Listen, whatever you want, Kimmy have, go and squash it out or something," but you go and look away, so you know screen recording is there, and sometimes they splice what they want to splice and not the entire thing goes out. So you're going to get, involved in that whole thing. So probably you must say to yourself, you under him is cool, and the main fact that you sat down there, you entertained Vanya say something and whatever, that's why you feel a way about and something. And then
blood clot when to feel a way about that. Me and Donnie never meet Donnie in a real life. When to feel a way about that, I'm not this him, brother. Me not say nothing disrespectful about Donia because me and Donia play. Me and Donia cool. What Donia say? What Donia say? Donia they got tell big Candice to come off of me name. Everyone start boy ya. You don't want to start because I'm telling this now. You can't start when I see everybody don't plan me and I not say anything
Mother, you have a question what you want, mother. You do your show and you run a show, do everything you want, mother. Nobody can do anything you want for your show, mother. When can be a class, you must send them to me.
When they look at their class, men attack.
Exactly, anything you want, mother. Anything you want, where you go.
And that's how I want it go. Because if we want it go, so we can't go to say no. Hey, I will tear up this blood clot and know this now.
well, I mean that part.
That's how I want
I don't mean that.
Mother, you run a show, you enter, you listen to where Vanya say you're not the same, you listen where the person say.
But Patrol, listen to me, Patrol. Me never this one and nowhere. Me never
see this with you, madam. Me never hear this man, nothing like that. Never.
All me I said to Vani, Vani, so look here. You know, call down here on the phone or take him one side and tell him and say, you know, like this, brother. You know,
you hear say that.
For doing and see one time I said them to Vani.
Them the screen recorded, they now go come out. Remember, say them want to try to bring it down, so you not go get. Man, I'm sure I'm busy. That's why I'm not get for them. I'm busy, madam. I'm have to get everything sometimes, sir. That's the reason. You're not gonna get that part of good screen record. The worst part, them are gonna put out. Remember, them want to bring it. Remember, so they want to take care of the app, you know. So them are gonna try everything.
Ari, go in another room. That's gonna make me deal with the appliance.
Okay.
So remember, so them now go really put out the good part.
And that's a master Rika, like it's like the bad part of it. Even if you never seen the way it sound, and some of the main part that she was there sitting down, and some of a full conversation was there, you feel some type of way.
Hold on. Moody. Here you know, let me give you a little hype, Moody. Chuna see girl take a blood clot break from cussing and arguing and feel like you can't come chuck off in a girl face and them. Why are you bringing up Candy name and calling her? So, what you think that when Candy a style blood clot me and Candy don't know about bumbo clot me? Suck out, don't know, Batman read your blood clot. Why you there when that little stressor call my name? Chuna see me girl sit down and answer nothing. Chuna see girl sit down and not say anything. I want to there when time she click like over there and talk about she keep court for me, my blood clot husband. Them girl ain't know about me. Them girl ain't know about me. Come on from me live. You don't see me not pay them no mind. Come on from me live and go away. The whole of me sit down over there so I have that
blood clot. That is how you angry.
Listen to that. I can't bear things about me whenever blood clot goes so. I'm a gonna blood clot. I'm a dose and I don't want to come talk about me. Hey, when the don't wake me up. Don't wake me up, me not dumps a blood clot. Me not dumps. You get to me I say, me not dumps. Them girl don't go bright with
blood clot class. That the class, madam. With the
blood clot subject that them girl they have. Don't go class self with me. You get to me I say, drop
right.
Tell me about dial up in no blood clot. Girl no brain. Hey girl no come off of me life and go on over there now.
Bucket time, mother. Bucket time. Dirty water pan.
Come off of me life and go on over blood clot. That's why no all I no want chuck off pan Shalom. Shalom have a pint. Cause suck come over there and come off of my life. When you see me there start building and ease myself. When you see man a trouble no. Hey, I'm gonna lift up off of my blood clot name you know. And that me I try telling you come in soon you know. I beg me over here, so I beg just like the rest of blood clot them. You get to me, I say? Me I want no. Me not argue with no blood clot girl. Cause like me say them a liar. Them a liar. Not one day. Me ask her to show me the screen recording what back me cuss her pitney. Cause me not go say no. Because me know say that never happen. This girl, every time this girl see me, this girl in an argument with blood clot me, in an argument with blood clot me. And me no look. Me no look. She run over down there, she get a little piece of hype over down there. Now I feel like so no reach. Reach on a blood clot. Reach where? When I think anyone can come feel like you can't size up with blood clot. When I think nobody afraid on the boy so move up on hey, you me send a man and go chuck half up in on no mama. On a batty man for you don't know whole blood clot on. Hey, me have my true loyal fans them over here so. Me no need don't know. I when them
bring pan candy to blood clot Chan was that. Yo, my people, you see, I tell you something, man. Like, you see, this thing here, TikTok start a lot of foolish corruption. Me don't know about no other nation. What you see, Jamaicans, you see, anywhere money there. If you can avoid a place there where money there, please, me I beg you, avoid it. Me I tell you no people, you see, anywhere money there, like free money, avoid a place there if you don't want to get in a problem with these Jamaicans because them are go flock it. Anybody with them on top, them are go bad mind a person there, and it are go cause an argument and it are go maybe lead further than the argument. Me I tell you no, Jamaicans don't know how to, like when them say drink milk and no count no cow. Jamaicans are go drink milk and count cow. You see me I say me I tell you that and them are go try bring down who them want bring down. Cause once a man dep on top, him a go always want dep on top, and anytime a next person come a problem, especially if the person they not pay them no homage.
God, me no need nobody. Me no trouble that girl there. Me no trouble that girl there. Una some wicked people, me telling us send out the screenshot. Make we go in our shell and go easy with self. Send out the screenshot, make the blinganeers them go sit down one side and park up cause them did do it. Send out the screenshot when me a cuss Candy Pitney. Candy come out every time, Candy will run out for me every time. And I this no love and I this no want. Because I this them want. I'm a seminar give nobody no clothes because many people them cuss, them get a hype. Alright, listen to me. Listen to what me I say. Them sister my Ivani, right? Ivani. So like when I have so much more to that talk, why not come up here so come talk to me? My business with Ivani and King Donia. Me look like a somebody business with Ivani and King Donia. Me go take up King Donia problem for my head. Me a pick side and it clear upper, so here what no clapper. You see you now?
Look your mother.
On a fake page. Suck your mother and come off of this. And come now. So look here people. You don't know say the boy we over there collect Sheena money and rob Sheena. And I rob the little old man. Him over there. And him a rob the little girl. Yes. And this is not alleged. If you don't want me to say alleged first, me say alleged first. We know a long time. This little boy, me say me never got take out his file cause he young. But he got size up. It is alleged that he's also a him SECR3T at all. It is alleged that Jamie with the Sheena platform a rob Sheena and what the man name? What's Sheena boyfriend name? What's Sheena boyfriend name? Philip. It is alleged that Jamie over there robbed Sheena, and it is alleged that Jamie is also a grape attendant and he's also a scammer. Yes. The only thing they can do a Bex and click live, my love. That's all they can do. Them can't do me nothing. But we all know none of them can't see me in a real life and do me anything to. So, true. Before we go in at that door, where we going at this?
Yeah, talk to them and reason with them and everything's so alright, and then so fully understand what I go on and know what I go on, man. Feel it get interstellar, master. Me I tell you, say, lucky me even did I watch him, master. Me not even did I watch him, I feel like, say, Jane, me get one man with the sick me once, so I say, Rasa, you get Philip, but me go look at interstellar. I say, what, Philip? Man, lucky of. Go buy fan and a little stove for them also. I'm sitting in idea, man. Them are going good. Philip, him lucky off. And I get so much gift, man. So. Alright, babes, no bother. He just call me. He just call me. I say, he busy, so you can't send it to him. I go send you money now. Shamir Williamson. I never mean for transfer all my money, but my transfer $700. So just send me $550 card through me. I forgot to give them people their money. So just send me $550 or something up there. So the person I normally send it to me, I call him and I get him master. But that the person that I normally make it, that I'm my cousin, so I normally make it send it to my cousin, and my cousin send it to somebody where they close to me, then so I can enjoy. So I wonder if you can just you can just change it and make you one different card to the last time, sweetie. Last time I go change the card, after that I'm my own thing we I go start use, because I go look about them right now. I go buy something for Sheena or Philip. Hey man, bad man, me know where them a feel, man. I said so. When somebody I get too much line or something, me nah get none. Me know where them a feel, man. So me know I say they're good, bad man. Because so me feel when people are with me, man. I say I just start sending two gifts. I just start sending gifts, then everybody start rolling me and DM make me running.
Alright, my people, so yo, I go on. Me not really draw this too long. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Seeing if you don't want to hear more, just type in the comment section more. You know what I mean? And me just go to the part where me I go cut off, you know. So just let me know what you think in the comment on this whole situation and this you taking these people money, because these people is not like sensible to a level where them can do like the drawing the money off of the TikTok and do all these things themselves, and them trust him enough. You know what I mean, for him do it, and he must skim off of the top. Maybe he might take even more than where he might give the people them, but you can't always find that in a them situation. Yeah, he might not the first person I go do this thing, and him definitely not gonna be the last. So leave your comment, my people, right? That's something I end it.